Identifying the sixth type of craft marks in Hongshan artifacts, textile line carving. Today, I would like to share and discuss with everyone the sixth type of craftsmanship mark used to authenticate Hongshan artifacts, textile line carving. The hallmark of this technique is as follows: within a small circle measuring only about 2 centimeters, parallel horizontal carving lines are used to etch out deities or Buddha figures. These lines are so fine that no other technique can achieve such subtlety. This is the sixth type of carving, textile line carving. I want everyone to understand during the Hongshan period, the existence of Buddha and Guanyin was real. From this piece of Sanxingdui-style human-headed dragon artifact, we can observe a craft within a craft embedded in its carved grooves. This cannot be imitated, proving it is an authentic Hongshan piece. A circle less than 2 centimeters wide astonishingly reveals a true Buddha image, carved using the textile line method. The Buddha is gazing at a person sitting cross-legged in front of him. As the saying goes, man creates, but heaven observes. Only the inimitable craftsmanship of the prehistoric Hongshan culture can authenticate its genuine artifacts. When a Hongshan-style artifact features a Guanyin figure, some skeptics question, how could Guanyin exist in prehistoric Hongshan? Others claim, isn't this a modern forgery to that? I urge you to take a closer look. These textile lines are finer than a sewing needle. How could they possibly be faked? This particular dragon-shaped Hongshan piece also contains a Maitreya Buddha figure. Where there is a Buddha, there is naturally Guanyin Bodhisattva, and surely Arhats and Bhikkhus as well. You'll notice they are dressed in traditional Hanfu of the Hongshan culture, definitely not Indian attire. Careful observation shows the patina colors were formed after the carving, proving once again, not everything passed down through history should be believed blindly. We must conduct practical research and apply profound wisdom to reach the truth. Furthermore, I would like to share with you 2 Maitreya Buddha figurines from the Hongshan period, made of meteorite. Many books state that Maitreya is the Buddha of the future, following Shakyamuni. Some even claim he is the reincarnation of a specific Indian figure. As a result, many people have been awaiting the return of Maitreya. Through our successful identification of prehistoric carving techniques, we have authenticated many ancient artifacts. What surprised us even more was this discovery: deities and Buddhas had already appeared in prehistoric times. This greatly challenges conventional Buddhist beliefs. This meteorite Maitreya statue offers a very clear conclusion: Maitreya existed long before recorded history. Though it measures only 7.5 centimeters, about 3 inches, due to its composition of nickel-iron meteorite, it is attracted to rare earth magnets. Upon close examination, we find it was carved using Hongshan's textile line technique. Early on, I discovered that sacred and divine statues from the Hongshan period often used vertical textile-like lines to shape their figures. This meteorite Maitreya is carved with diagonal textile lines. Many people, upon seeing this kind of texture, exclaim, "Isn't this made by computer, or this looks like modern 3D laser printing?" To address this, I enlarged one of the artifacts and used red arrows to highlight several groove lines for comparison. On close inspection, one finds that although the lines appear similar at first glance, each group of lines is subtly different, some wider, some narrower, each with slight variations. To produce such nuanced grooves on a tiny meteorite artifact exceeds the capacity of modern machines or computers. Computers operate with strict regularity and precision. They would never produce such variance in spacing and depth. Thus, we can rule out the possibility that these are modern human creations. Simply put, these are artifacts beyond what earthly or ordinary humans can create. Once we've ruled out modern origins and confirmed them as prehistoric, we can begin to interpret the messages they convey. First, we realize, before the 5,000 years of recorded history we know, Buddha had already appeared in ancient China. This meteorite Maitreya reveals that the Buddha predates all earthly religious gods. Simultaneously, a group of extraterrestrial beings from the Big Dipper and nearby stars, under the commission of Buddha and other deities, came to Earth to create life and bring civilization to the Chinese land. Therefore, we possess a prehistoric Hongshan civilization that is older, more advanced, and more enduring than the other three ancient civilizations. This is truly invaluable, and as descendants of the Chinese dragon, we should feel proud. Finally, I'd like to share several more Hongshan artifacts featuring textile line carving, for everyone to study and appreciate. Red Jade Guanyin Head. Hongshan Meteorite Thousand Hand Thousand Eye Guanyin Amulet. Hongshan Olive-shaped Meteorite Buddha Amulet. Hongshan Dragon Phoenix Jade Pendant. Hongshan Openwork Dragon Phoenix Carving. Hongshan Spirit Beast Jade Goibai. Hongshan Jade Discs with Dragon, Grain, and Cloud Patterns. Hongshan Ruyi Cloud Pattern Jade Disc. Hongshan Kneeling Jade Human. Thank you for participating in this shared learning journey.